Hi everyone, here's how to work with the loggerpro file, turn it into a CSV file, and then get it into Google Sheets. From your loggerpro file, go up to File and Export as CSV. That will bring up a Save As box. Choose somewhere where you can find it. I happen to be working with Liza's file, and title it CSV so that you can find it again. Here we are in your Google Drive, and you'll want to make a new Google Sheets, and once you've got that open, you will go up to File menu and then Import. And now you need to find the spot where you had your file. You might have saved your file in Google Drive. I happen to have saved it here. Click on it and say Open. You'll see it uploading. It might take a little while. There's 18,000 rows of data, so you should be able to just accept whatever conditions it suggests for you and say Import. And you should see that it's brought in all your information here. Check to see that you've got a column that says latest heart rate modified up here. Be sure to title your spreadsheet. Now, if you scroll down in this spreadsheet, you'll see there's just an insane amount of information. There's 15,000 rows of data. You don't need all that. All you need is the rows that actually have something in the heart rate columns. So here's the quick way of doing that. It's called using a filter. Click on column E, which is the column header up there, the E there, the one that says latest heart rate modified, and then go up to this thing that looks like a little funnel that says filter. Click that. Now you'll see that column E is outlined in green, and you'll see a little pull down tab here. So click that. And we want to get rid of the blanks. So click off the blanks. So there should be no check mark beside the blanks, and then say OK. And you'll see that over here you've gotten rid of lots and lots and lots of information in between. OK, now select the column headers all the way across. And once you've done that, then hit copy. You can use Control-C or copy. Now, go to the little plus button which says Add Sheet in the bottom left of Google Sheets and make a new sheet. And now you should see down at the bottom that there's another thing that says Sheet 1 or something like that. Double click on that and call it just heart rate. And click, and you should have a blank sheet here. Go up to column A, cell number 1, and hit Paste. And what that does is it's pasted in just the information that you actually want. Now what you want to do is make a graph using this column, the times, and so click on the column header A, and then hold down the Control key and click on column E. So you should see those two columns highlighted. Now you can insert a chart. I would suggest a line chart and insert. Now you've got a pretty clear chart of what's happening. Let's make it a little bigger so we've got something to work with. And you want to go to Chart Types here, and you should be able to find something that says Use column A as labels. And now you've got a relatively clear chart showing what happened to your heart rate over the time of your run. Click on Update, and that'll give you a nice big chart. And now you can start doctoring up your chart to make it look nice. Put a title, arrange the scales, things like that. Here you can see fairly clearly which parts are higher and lower. So this person's heart rate was varying somewhere between about 54 down there and about 75, depending on whether they were inhaling or exhaling. Right around 120 seconds, this is where students were supposed to have started holding their breath, and you can see what happens there. So that hopefully will get you a decent graph.